Hey guys, good morning. So it's literally morning, like just woke up. So we're just getting ready. Today's just gonna be a chill day at home per usual. I do have to go to Walmart to pick up an order, a pickup, but that's a little later. So I'm just going to put some stuff on my face. So the first thing I'm going to use is this Volition. That's the brand. It's the Snow Mushroom Water Serum. So a lot of people forget that you need a serum when you're doing like your skincare. Hi. Like they'll just put on, you know, like a lotion or a moisturizer, whatever it may be, and forget that you need a serum. Like it's just what you need in your skin regimen. So this little boy gets on everything, like okay. And then next I'm going to use this Glam Glow moisturizer. This is the Omega Rich Moisturizer. And that's what it looks like. And let me open it for you. So it's just kind of green looking. So I'm just going to apply some of that. And some on our neck. I would put some on my décolleté, but, you know, the shirt. So how was your New Year's? I know it's a few days past New Year's, but how did you guys spend New Year's? Was it different? Like, did you do anything this year that you've never done before? Obviously, you know, like with the whole, you know what going on, but like, was it really different for you guys, or did you still spend time with family and did like the normal things? We just stood home, nothing extraordinary. That's what we did. Okay. So now I'm going to use this Essence Lash and Brow Gel. This is like one of my favorites. We're not going to put any makeup on today or anything like that. We're just going to put this on so our brows look a little bit alive. And that's pretty much it. Finished. Okay, so I put on these glasses. These are like the, you know, like if you're on a phone all day or on a computer all day, like the blue block or whatever it's called. I got them on Amazon, a 2-pack. It was pretty affordable. Well, I actually got them like on sale, but even when they're not on sale, they're still pretty good. And I think they're pretty, you know, they're big and stuff like that, but I feel like they kind of fit me or whatever. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll have them linked down below for you guys in the description box. They came in black and white. So I'm usually just wearing the black ones just because, well, I don't really know why. I just, you know, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some breakfast now for the kiddos and wait until my pickup is ready and go pick it up, and I'll see you guys later, I guess. So the video that I made on the, sorry, the sun's in my face. So the video I made on the date syrup, if you guys didn't watch it, I'll have it up here. So anyways, this is it right here. The only thing is that it's not as thick as I would like it. Like, let me show you. This is organic maple syrup, right? So it is kind of like liquidy, right? But the date syrup is still kind of liquidy. So I'm gonna record another video on making it, but a different way. And I think that this way is gonna make it, I'm sorry, the lighting, guys. I think this way is gonna make it a little bit more thicker. But see, it's kind of like runny. Give me 1 second, guys. But that it's good, it's delicious. It's really good. It's not too sweet. Like It's like a little bit less sweeter than what pure maple syrup is. And when I say that, I mean that in the best possible way. Like, it's really, really good. Dates are a natural sweetener. And I feel like this just gives it the right touch of sweet without, you know, like any extra preservatives or anything like that. So, I mean, it's something to try. You never know, you might love it. And it doesn't take a lot of time to do anyways. So, yeah, like I said, I am going to re-record it and upload it. And when I do, you guys see, I think it's going to come out a lot thicker. That's like the only thing I'm going to do differently to see if it does that. But other than that, I really like it. It's delicious. So, I definitely recommend trying it, for real. Jacob, say hi. So we're in the car getting ready to go to Walmart. It's kind of chilly outside a little bit. So I'm letting the car warm up a little bit, and then we are on our way. We just finished picking up our order. I use the pickup like very rarely, just because sometimes like I order stuff and it's like out of stock, and I know you could substitute it and all this stuff and blah blah blah, but like sometimes I like to just be like in the store and like look at my options, you know what I mean? So when I feel like, you know, I can't, like I don't have the time, I'll do the pickup. Like this morning I needed a few things. Like I'm gonna make some pasta, and I went food shopping the other day and I forgot like the pasta noodles. Like, you know, you can't make pasta without pasta noodles, right? So it's like, okay, I'm not gonna run into the store for that, and you know you have to do like a minimum of $35. So I just picked up a few extra things that I needed. That way I don't have to go and buy more, like some milk and stuff like that. So yeah, but I know the lighting is bad, so I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll talk to you guys later at home. And we're back. So yeah, like I said, I just picked up a few things, nothing too crazy. So I did get 2 almond milks. I did get my pasta sauce and some rotini. I got 2 salads, 2 of the Caesar salads. I got some of this bread. This bread is thebomb.com. Is it healthy for you? Oh, it isn't healthy for you, but you know, every once in a while it's okay, you know. So I got some tang sobao. So good. Doesn't compare to the island, you know, like us Puerto Ricans that we go to Puerto Rico or lived in Puerto Rico, whatever. You know, tang sobao is just the best. It doesn't compare, but it's there, okay? I got some coconut oil. This big thing was $9 something, not even $10, which is pretty good. So I got this coconut oil. Coconut oil, you can use it for your skin, your hair, whatever. So I use it for all of that. And I'm also not buying like canola oil or vegetable oil or anything like that. I will buy like olive oil and avocado oil and even grapeseed oil. But as far as like cooking and canola oil or anything like that, no more. Vegetable oil, no more. We're not doing that around here. So I have a small one. It's almost finished. So I got some French fries. I know it's better to just, you know, peel a potato and make French fries, but I have sweet potatoes, and I just didn't feel like buying like regular potatoes because I didn't want to have too many potatoes in the house and then not use it. So I want to finish up the sweet potatoes, and since Jacob likes his French fries, I just got him some French fries, and of course they will not be fried in bad oil. You see what I'm saying? And then here's my other milk. So that's just what I got, and that's pretty much it. Really simple. I told you I just got a few little things that I needed just to get to the amount. There were 2 other items that I purchased to make the $35, but they were out of stock. And like I said, if they're out of stock or whatever, if you don't put like you want to substitute for the item, they won't charge you for it. So, you know, But yeah, that's my little tiny haul. So I'm gonna go put this away, go attend to the kids. I'm gonna try to put the baby to sleep, take a nap, because it's about to be 10:30. He needs to go take a nap. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm on the floor about to fold some laundry. It's like so warm, it feels so good. Yeah, so I'm gonna fold laundry. What was I gonna say? So I saw yesterday that that in Britain, their prime minister declared like a national lockdown in England. So basically their schools are closed and you know all that stuff, and I'm like, because of the virus. So I'm like, I hope we're not next, but I feel like we're next. I just hope we're not, but I feel like it's coming. So you know, I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but yeah. So how do you guys feel about that? Like, I know I have some people who are from New York, and you know, like, what are your thoughts on all of this? I don't know. You know, you try to stay positive, like, you know, this year is gonna be a new year, you know, hopefully we all are hoping for the best, because we all know that, you know, 2020 has just been crazy. So we are all just hoping for the best in the new year, you know, in the 2-1. And that's really all we can do, is just, you know, hope and pray and just, you know, be a little bit more awake and open-minded, and just honestly like realize what's going on. Like, I feel a lot of people get brainwashed just based on what they see on TV or the news, and what celebrities think and say. And I'm like, you know, if you go based on like what a celebrity says, you know, I feel like, do you really have a brain? Like, are you independent as you say you are? You know, a lot of people really go off of what celebrities say and think and do, and because a celebrity says, oh, you should do this, you know, I feel like a lot of people, well, because, you know, for example, like, well, Beyonce said this, or because Cardi B said this, I'm gonna go and listen to them. These celebrities or these famous people or actors, singers, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, they're gonna be good. You know, they're not walking in your shoes. They're not dealing with your struggles. They're not, you know, they're not doing what you do on a day-to-day basis. So at the end of the day, you really have to take that into consideration, and you know, realize that whatever decision you make based on what they told you to do, or what they say, or whatever style they want you to follow, like, is that really benefiting you, or you're benefiting them? Social media is so like, it's so centered. Like, you can look something up on Google, and just because, you know, it's the first answer that pops up doesn't mean it's correct. You know, you have to research things, and you have to really open your eyes and see if what you're looking for, that's the real answer, you know. But again, you can just tell people so much, but people are going to do what they want to do at the end of the day, because, you know, everyone has their own opinion, and everyone feels like, you know, their opinion is the right one, and that's it. And unfortunately, it's not like that, you know. It's not. So like I said, I don't know where that came from, but the whole, like, seeing somebody else going on lockdown is like, here we go again, you know. I hope not, but it's like, are we going into this again, guys? And that's pretty much it. So I'll go ahead and end this video here, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting. I really appreciate it. You have no idea. I'm just doing what I like to do, you know. I like recording these videos, and I just like to have them for memories and stuff like that. Like, I really do enjoy it. So I really appreciate you guys for just communicating with me and just sticking with me. It does mean a lot to me. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.